evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. There are renewed concerns this evening about the treatment of tourism workers in the hotel industry. President of the Bustamante Industrial Trade Union, Cavan Gale, says the matter requires immediate attention. TVJ's Andrew Lady reports.
Tourism has been recording strong growth, but workers in the sector say they are suffering from disrespectful and inhumane working conditions. President of the Bustamante Industrial Trade Union, Cavan Gale, now intervening to change the situation.
What we have found in our investigations is that a vast number of them work and operate in fear because contracts are just terminated without any cause. We have had situations and reports that hotel workers have been told that we can really get rid of you because the temp services can provide another 50 hotel workers at any point in time. And so there is a fundamental cause of concern.
Beyond that, Mr. Gale says there are still instances where qualified Jamaicans are being overlooked for foreign nationals.
You have hotel workers who would have extended themselves and would have received the necessary certification and qualifications at certain levels, and there would have been vacancies that they have the experience, they can fill, but some of these roles are being filled by foreign nationals. And so what it does, it really demotivates an employee.
The trade unionist is calling for greater inspection to bring the employers in line with Jamaica's labor policies.
What it may require is a serious inspection of those hotels who would be guilty of perpetuating that type of an arrangement.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
To currency trading now, the US dollar is selling for $125.78. The Canadian dollar traded lower at $94.41. The pound sterling went for $165.08, while the euro closed at $142.76. Oil prices traded lower today. Oil for delivery in April went down by 2 cents to settle at $60 a barrel. The JSE index gained 2,041 points today, while the junior market index is up 6 points. Stocks posting gains include Dolphin Cove, Kingston Wharves, Berger Paints, Lasca Distributors, and Supreme Ventures. On the losing side, we had G West Corporation, Derrimont Trading, Main Event Entertainment Group, Lasca Financial Services, and Fosrich. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.